Hi, my name is Rebecca Musi, and today I'm going to share about a banner that I created for our client. They were looking to have information at the top of their page about a number of different statuses on their members. Members could be part of a study group, an experience project. They could purchase some bonus materials that involved a LinkedIn review or a mock interview, and they could also land a job. Each of those different things that the members could do has different steps. There are 4 different study group statuses. A member could not have participated, be waiting to start a study group, be participating, or have completed a study group. For experience project, there are 6 different possible statuses, as well as for each of the possible bonus materials. And for job information, there are 3 different states, either no job, a job with no testimonial, or a job that has been landed and they have received a testimonial about their program. To solve this problem, rather than using a banner with some text for each of the stages, which would have meant 4 different or 5 different banners at the top of the page, I created one banner with images for each of the different stages. I'll show you how. I created a screen flow that's very simple. It gets the member record, and then in the banner, each of the statuses is represented as an image with text. There's a section container that allows us to show up to 4 columns of information. So I added this container, and in each container I have a display image and some text. Each of the images has a formula based on the status information. Those images are stored as static resources in the setup. The text is also based on the pick list values for each status. This is an example of one of the formulas that I used to determine what image to show on the flow. I checked the pick value of the pick list and compared it with text, and if the value was matched that text, then the image was shown for that particular value. It's a nested if statement, but a case statement could have also been used. Once the flow is activated, on the Lightning page, I added a flow, and I chose the flow that I wanted. Then I made sure to pass the record ID into the record ID variable, and I saved the page. Now on the member page, there's a banner that shows the status of 4 different member paths. There is an update button because it's part of a flow, and I didn't really like the fact that it was quite so wide. And I also wanted 5 different statuses to be shown. So I made a video to show how I created a custom 5-column component. I also made a video to show how I handled the update issue, because when members add information and save the page, this flow was not updating without clicking update or refreshing the page, and I didn't want that. So I ended up adding this flow component to the page within a custom-made Visualforce page that was connected to a Lightning app, which would notice when the page was updated and automatically refresh the flow. Those other 2 videos will be available shortly.